American 2050, we're getting reports of an unauthorized drone about 75 feet and below, just short of the 27, just short of 27, right on the parking garage area. Unauthorized drone reported at 75 feet.
Okay, copy all. We'll search for it, American 2050.
Oh my gosh, there's a drone. No, get that drone out of here. What is going on here? That drone should not be in the way of this aircraft. Oh my gosh. Just on the other side of the building. Get that drone out of here. What are you doing?
What you just seen there was live footage of an unauthorized drone at San Diego International Airport, less than 500 feet from the end of the runway. This is amazing, and we're going to get into this, and you're going to hear more from the ATC as well. Here we go. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Yes, today we are talking about an unauthorized drone in the vicinity of the airport. Now, usually these things are usually eyewitnesses and reported, and there's never any evidence of it, and that's why there's always bad press. But this time, thanks to airline videos, and I'll leave a link to the description of this channel. If you don't know this channel, please check it out. It's an incredible channel. This guy is always live streaming from airports around the US, and on this day he was at San Diego International Airport. He was about 500 feet from the end of the runway at a car park, and I'll show you here where the car park is in relation to the runway, and he gets fantastic footage, and he spotted an unauthorized drone. Now, reports are that it was actually a police drone, which makes it even worse, actually, because they should have communicated with the ATC. Now, the way I see this, and I've looked into this, and I've really kind of looked at the area, and I've dissected it, and we're going to look at this, but it seems that this drone should not have been there at all. And it started off in a certain area. Certainly it was within the area that it shouldn't have been, and then it came round. Now, it seems to be the air traffic control did not know, but someone was watching his live stream and reported it to the air traffic control, because 11 minutes after he announced and he was following and you seen the drone, ATC started to report this, and they were actually telling the airlines coming in that this drone was there. But let's have a look at the full footage now.
Oh my gosh, there's a drone. No, get that drone out of here. What is going on here? That drone should not be in the way of this aircraft. Oh my gosh. Just on the other side of the building. Get that drone out of here. What are you doing? Look at that. Someone's flying a drone right in almost the flight path of SAN.
Southwest 43, 18 runway 27, clear for immediate takeoff.
Southwest 43, clear for takeoff, 27.
American 2796, on the tower traffic holding in position, runway 27, clear for launch.
Now it's coming our direction. Whoever has that drone, you might be going to jail. I mean, literally, it's right in front of us. Look at this thing. That's how close it is to my camera. Right below the flight path of SAN. Unbelievable. That was a MOA 1 with Southwest.
Yeah, so quite incredible. So we can see here that the drone started at this area, and then it came round to this gas station, which is, you know, it's just about 130 meters, or what have I got here, 426 feet away from the end of the runway. Now, I think, personally, I think the drone is not a danger to any aircraft if anyone knows what they're doing, okay? And if it was an emergency situation, they should have reported it to ATC, and ATC would have given them permission or not, obviously depending. Now, now watching this video, I don't hear any sirens. There's no emergency going on. So, but of course, you don't know the circumstances of what's going on. But this is a very serious situation. I don't think the airlines were in any danger, of course. And of course, where was remote ID here? I mean, surely remote ID should have kicked in here and should have done something, and you know, and they would have known who was flying. It was the police, obviously. But I think this is another argument as to why remote ID has also failed. But this is an incredible piece of footage, and it's really good to see that when there's a drone actually reported. Now, there was no drone reported until the live footage was actually shown. So sometimes I think that when a lot of these, let's say, reports of drones, is that they're usually false, and it's usually something that someone else is seeing. But what I will say is, when you listen to the air traffic control, and I think the air traffic control here was fantastic, because they were not diverting aircraft, they were not cancelling any of the landings, they were just informing the the pilots that there was a drone 75 feet below them, or actually above the ground, and they were really cool about it. So they weren't making any kind of let's say drama out of it. They were just saying that there's a drone, and that was fine. And there doesn't seem to have been any reports of sightings of a drone from the pilots themselves, which I think is also very good, because they probably wouldn't have seen it. And you can see from the colour of it, it kind of blends into the environment. So these things are really, really hard to see. Anyway, what do you think? This is a great, I think this is a great piece of footage, and I really hope that the San Diego Police Department get their knuckles wrapped for this, because you should not be flying, even if it's an emergency. They should not be flying without having any communication towards ATC. Now, we have been flying in the CTR next to airports, and we always contact ATC, and they will always give us permission, or let's say no permission. And if we do have permission, they can even call us to say, land your drone right now. So it's always about communication. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you actually liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go and visit Airline Videos as well, because it's a great channel. You can buy me a coffee if you want as well, and you can also visit our Substack. And until then, we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe, if you're not the San Diego Police Department, of course.
Foster 15 on our tower, and traffic will hold in position. Additionally, we're getting reports of an unauthorized drone about 1/2 mile off the off the arrival end, over the parking garage, 75 feet and below. Use caution. You are clear to land.